Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm an artist from India and I'm so excited to share my creative journey with you. In today's video, I'll be retouching 3 of my old paintings and showing you how to protect and maintain your artwork over time. Let's get started. These are the 3 artworks I'll be working on today. As you can see, they have gathered quite a bit of dust over time, and in some areas the paint has chipped or faded. It's easy to forget how fragile paintings can be, especially textured ones. Exposure to air, moisture, and even just time can slowly wear them down. That is why it is so important to clean, retouch, and protect your work every once in a while. It's not only keep them looking fresh but also preserves the effort and emotion you poured into them. Now let's start bringing these pieces back to life. I'm starting with the first painting. The first step is to gently wipe off any dust using a soft, dry brush. Make sure to use light strokes, just enough to lift the dust without disturbing the texture or paint. Never use water to clean your artwork because water can seep into the layers and loosen the paint or even damage the canvas over time. Always keep it dry when dusting, especially for textured or mixed media pieces like this. Now moving on to the second painting, just like before, I'm using a soft dry brush to gently remove all the dust settle on the surface. Take your time with this step, especially if your painting has textured or layers. Dust can get trapped into the grooves, so it is important to be thorough but gentle. Again, no water, just dry cleaning. This helps avoid any damage and keeps the original texture intact. And now the third painting. This one has been stored away for quite some time, so there is a bit more dust build up here. In case you do not have a soft brush, you can use a dry cotton cloth instead of brush. It is safest way to clean without risking the damage. With all the 3 paintings now dusted and clean, it's time to move on to retouching and giving them a fresh finish. For all the paintings, I have decided to repaint the entire piece. Sometimes a painting just needs a fresh start, so I'm keeping the original idea but rebuilding it with new layers of paint. Now that all 3 paintings have been repainted, it's time to let them dry completely. I'll leave them untouched for at least 24 hours. This step is really important. Rushing it can cause smudging, uneven texture, or even cracks in the paint. Letting the paint cure properly ensures that the colors stay vibrant and the finish stays smooth. Once they are fully dry, we'll move on to the sealing and protecting them. Now that the paintings are fully dry, I am moving on to the final step, that is varnishing. I am using Little Birdie matte finish liquid varnish for this. It gives a smooth, non-glossy finish and helps protect the artwork from dust, moisture and fading over time. You can easily find this varnish at any local art or stationery stores. Using a clean soft brush, I apply a thin even layer across the entire surface. Make sure to cover all areas including the edges and let it completely dry without touching. Varnishing not only seals the paint but also gives the artwork a fresh, professional finish, keeping it safe for years to come. And here are the finished paintings, fresh, clean, and all sealed up. It feels so good to bring them back to life. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions about cleaning, retouching, or varnishing, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more art videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.